Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain a presentation about our RPL project assignment in the form of wedding organizer software, which we name Loveflink. Before entering into the material, here I will allow myself to introduce myself. My name is Kesamila Batsya with the NPM number is 23170510554, and several of my colleagues here real. Okay, then I will discuss about uh, table of content. First is software name, and second is project background, and also urgency of project problem solving. Then there is a software workflow, also benefit and advantage. Then feasibility analysis, also system requests and core features. Then use case and description. For the next material, I will description to Nabila.
Okay, first, Lovelink, a comprehensive wedding planning software. Lovelink is a software platform specifically designed to help brides to be plan their dream wedding easily, efficiently, and stress-free. The platform offers a range of innovative features and benefits to help brides to be manage various aspects of their wedding more easily and effectively. Background. In recent years, the wedding industry has undergone significant change. Many couples are looking for new ways to plan their wedding more efficiently and effectively. With online wedding planning software, couples can access a wide range of services and vendors that may not be available in their local area. This gives couples more options to choose from and help them find the perfect service to suit their needs and budget. Urgency of project problem solving. A well-planned, stress-free, and dream-come-true wedding is now within reach with online wedding organizer platform. This platform streamline and expedite the wedding planning and management process, ensuring a sense of security and comfort for couples to be. Here are some compelling reasons why online wedding organizer platform are essential. 1. Efficient wedding planning. A. 24/7 access. Manage your reading anytime and anywhere. B. Task automation. Eliminate time-consuming manual tasks. C. Smart budget planning. Track expenses and avoid overspending. D. Centralized platform. Manage all reading aspects in one place. E. Lower costs. Save on overhead and staffing expenses. 2. Seamless reading experience. A. Intuitive user experience. Easy and beginner-friendly navigation. B. Comprehensive feature. Find everything you need for reading planning. C. Online support. Expert team ready to assist whenever need. 3. Complete security and control. A. Encrypted data. Ensure privacy and data security. B. Automatic data backup. Prevent unexpected data loss. C. Controlled access. Restrict access to wedding information.
Okay, now I will talk about software workflow. So the first, there is a create an account and enter your marriage information. So in this case, user can first create an account or register and provide information about their wedding so that the service of the app can get to know the user better and provide recommendation based on this information. So next is set your budget. So in this case, user can choose the budget they have so that they can choose recommendation or options that suit their budget to choose service for their wedding. And third is service option selection. In this case, user can select wedding or other event service options such as regular class, premium class, and luxury class, and they can view portfolios of the service, read reviews from previous customers, and select service that suit their needs. And next is location selection. So in this case, user can search for wedding or other event location such as buildings, parks, and others. And also they can view photos of the location, read reviews from previous customers, and choose a location that suits their theme and budget. And next is decoration selection. So in this sector, users can search for wedding or other event decoration such as flowers, tables, chairs, and others. They can view photos of the decoration, read review from previous customers, and select decoration that match their theme and budget. And next there is entertainment selection. So in this case, users can search for wedding or other event entertainment such as bands, DJs, and others. They can view entertainment videos, read review from previous customers, and select entertainment that suits their theme and budget. And then there is a transportation selection. So in this sector, user can res- user can search for wedding or other event transportation, such as wedding cars, shuttle bus, and others. They can view photos of transportation, read reviews from previous customers, and select transportation that suits their time and budget. The next material will be present by Rizky.
Catering selection. User can select from wedding or other event categories such as food, drink, and other. They can view the caterer menu, at review from previous customer, and calls create that suits their theme and budget. Photographer selection. A user can select from wedding or other event photographer. They can view the photographer portfolio, read review from previous customer, and calls a photographer that suits their theme and budget. Videographer selection. A user can select from wedding or other event videographer. They can view the videographer portfolio, read review from previous customer, and calls a videographer that 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 suits their theme and budget. Organizer selection. A user can select from wedding or other event organizer. They can view the organizer portfolio, review from previous customer, and selection an organizer that suits their theme and budget. Invitation maker selection. A user can select from wedding or other event invitation. They can view innovation design, write review from previous customer, and select an innovation max that suit their team and budget. Souvenir maker selection. User can souvenir maker selection. User can sell from wedding or other event souvenir max. They can view souvenir design, read review from previous customer, and selection a souvenir maker section. A user can save for wedding or other event souvenir. They can view souvenir design, read review from previous customer, and select a souvenir mix that suits their hem and budget. Cake Cake maker selection. User can check for wedding or other event cake, cake maker selection. User can search for wedding or other event cake mix. They can view cake design, read review from previous customer, and select a cake maker that suits their theme and budget.
15 dressmaker selection. User can search for wedding or other event dressmakers. They can view shirt design, read review from previous customer, and choose a shirt maker that suit their them and budget. 16 makeup maker selection. Users can search for wedding or other event makeup artists. They can view makeup portfolios, read review from previous customer, and select a makeup maker that suit their them and budget. 17 decoration maker selection. Users can search for wedding or other event decoration makers. They can view decoration design, read review from previous customer, and select a decoration maker that suit them and budget. 18 delivery maker selection. User can search for wedding or other event wedding favors. They can look at gift design, read review from previous customer, and choose a gift maker that fit their them and budget. 19 flower maker selection. Users can search for wedding or other event florists. They can view flower design, read review from previous customer, and select a florist that suit them and budget. 20 create guest list and send invitation. User can create a guest list and at the same time create invitation to be sent to each guest who will be invited digitally or directly. 21 result and total of the wedding plan. User can see the total of all service that will appear and can be booked and there are several payment methods so that the wedding plan and all service can be returned.
And now I will bring the topic of benefits and advantages. So the Lovelink have some benefits and advantages, and there are first is save time and money. So Lovelink can help couples save time and money by automating many of the planning tasks, such as finding and booking vendors, creating a budget, and managing a guest list. So the next is reduce stress. So Lovelink can help couples reduce stress by providing them with a centralized platform to manage all aspects of their wedding. This can help couples stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed. And the next is make better decision. So Lovelink can help couples make better decisions by providing them with access to a wealth of information and resources. This includes information on vendors, venues, decoration, and more. And next is access to a wide range of service and vendors. So Lovelink provides couples with access to a wide range of service and vendors. This means that couples can find the perfect service to fit their needs and budget. And next is centralized platform to manage all aspects of their wedding. So in here, Lovelink provides couples with a centralized platform to manage all aspects of their wedding. This includes the budget, guest list, timeline, and communication. And the next is wealth of information and resources. As the final, Lovelink provides couples with access to a wealth of information and resources. This includes information on vendors, venues, decorations, and more.
Feasibility analysis. Technical feasibility analysis. Can feasibility analysis. Technical feasibility analysis can we build its application familiarity. Wedding have after innovative features that streamline planning, but they also face threats to user adoption, quality, security, marketing, and funding. Technology familiarity limits skill in building on online wedding organizer perform can increase rates to error, security, data loss, design compatibility, availability, and vendor defense. Error. polybag perform contain numerous bugs causing frustration and disruption in the wedding planning process. Security. A lack of access to high security stand can jeopardize user personal data including financial and contact information. Data, data loss. Inadequate backup system may result in the loss of important data, cause a quiz list and wedding detail. Design. Perform lacking in design and layout express may be trying to navigate and unattached to user. Compatibility. Perform not but with compatibility of browse dev and browser may limit user accessibility. Availability. Infrastructure defense performance track to handle increased user demand leading to downtime. Vendor dependency. Perform rating on their party vendor for essential services like payment and hosting are vulnerable to disruption if the vendor counter issue. Project science. Logger project science. Logger project in critical hiccups due to crisis, complexity, cost, and time. Complexity can lead to miscommunication and error. Hiccup cause raise the risk of project failure and longer at time increase the likelihood of case fraction the project. Complexity involving numerous parties like vendor, contractor, and constant raise the risk of miscommunication, error, and delay. Cause a larger project typical tile hiccup cause meaning the more at stake if the project fail. Time. Your project often requires more time to complete, increasing the likelihood of cash in net and priority which can impact project outcomes. Economic feasibility. The private context contains a financial project's economy, economic, economic feasibility. The private context contains a financial projection for a certain project or investment in a company for the year 2024 to 2028. The table consists of several categories of costs and benefits, including development costs, operational costs, and various types of sales and customer service benefits. The costs are present in both year they core and the present value PV of those cases. Similarly, the benefits are present in their value, annual value, the present value of host benefit for 8 year and the cumulative present for present value of a benefit up uh, benefit up to the year. The table also includes calculation for the net present value for each year, the commutable NPV, the return on efficient ROI, investment, and the break-even point for the project. However, we, however, however, there is no max profit in the context. The context is a text-based table presenting financial information. Organization visibility. Organization visibility. Wedding organization project can raise tracks carry with business and organization by meeting the needs of the growing wedding market. The wedding industry is expressing rapid growth and couple after say organization visibility. Wedding organizer project can raise strategically with business and organization by meeting the need of the growing wedding market. The wedding industry is experiencing rapid growth and couple often see professional assistance for their wedding planning, uh, offering wedding organizer service raw business to meet this demand and increase well revenue. Strengthening brand mix and building strength, strengthening brand mix and building customer relationship. Strengthening brand image and building customer relationship. Providing wedding organizer service can has the brand image by demonstrating care and support for important moment in customer with this can foster customer loyalty and long-term relationship. Servicing the business portfolio and attaining financial stability. Adding wedding or adding wedding organizer service diversifies the business portfolio. Particularly beneficial is if the organization has related business in the wedding industry. This division can provide stability against market fluctuation, creating collaboration opportunities with local vendors. The project opened doors for The project opened doors for partnership with local wedding vendors such as photographers and caterers, expanding the business network and creating manual benefit. Explain execution stability. Wedding organizer project can be successful executed according to plan and requirements by considering several factors through and detailed planning covering an aspect from convection to event implementation, induction, efficient project action. Competent team. A skill and aggression team specializing in wedding and event is crucial. Crucial understanding of roles and responsibility among team members as user adherence to the plan. Uh, Effective communication. Good communication among the team, client, and stakeholder is vital for project success. Excluding everyone is effective, both participation change and program have maintained alignment with the plan. Risk management. Identifying and managing risk early on is essential. Preparation of contingency plan helps mitigate potential object crash, scoring smooth project execution. Project contains the scans of a wedding organizer project hikes and on key factors such as service quality. The projects can vary depends on the quality of service offered, meeting or surprising user. Expression across captain. Stability to needs. Designing the project to cater to the specific needs and preference of user and organization enhance constants. User friendliness. Providing a satisfying user experience is crucial. If users have a positive experience with the wedding organizer service, they are more like to come the project well. Positive user express profit real information.
And then the topic is system requests. So the first of all is project sponsor. So this project is sponsored by Elegant Events by Jasmine, Forever and Always Bridal Boutique, and Dreamy Destination Wedding Planners. So the next is business need. In here, to address the growing demand for efficient and user-friendly wedding planning solutions, there is a critical need for a comprehensive software system that streamlines the entire wedding planning process. And the next is business requirements. This topic, the business requirement entails the development of a robust wedding organizer software that meets the evolving needs of modern couples and wedding planners. And there is a key of functions that they are. The first is vendor management. So the vendor management is the system should allow users to search, compare, and select vendor for various services such as venues, caterers, photographers, and florists. So next is budget planning. In budget planning, it should include tools for creating and managing wedding budget, tracking expense, and providing alerts for budget overruns. And the next is guest list management. The software must enable users to create guest lists, send invitation, track RSVP, and manage setting arrangement. And the next is timeline and task management. So in this case, users should be able to create timelines, set reminders for important tasks, and track the progress of their wedding preparation. The next is design and decor. The system should offer features for designing and visualizing wedding themes, decor options, and layout arrangements. The next is RSVP and communication. So there is a should facilitate communication with guests through RSVP, forms, email reminders, and updates on event details. So the next is document management. There is users should be able to store and manage contracts, agreements, and other important documents related to their wedding arrangements. And the next is mobile accessibility. So the software should be accessible via mobile device, allowing users to manage their wedding plans on the go. By incorporating these specific functions into the wedding organizer software, we aim to meet the diverse needs of our users and provide them with a comprehensive solution for planning their dream weddings efficiently. And the next is business value. So the implementation of the wedding organizer software will provide significant value to the company by offering a range of tangible benefits that contribute to operational efficiency, so customer satisfaction and revenue growth. Conservative estimation of tangible value to the company and also have three elements. So the first is operational efficiency. By automating various tasks such as vendor management, budget planning, and guest list management, the software is expected to reduce manual workload and administrative overhead by at least 30%. This efficiency gain translates into cost saving in terms of reduced labor hours and increased productivity. So the next is customer satisfaction. The user-friendly interface and comprehensive features of the software will enhance the overall customer experience, leading to improved satisfaction and loyalty among users. This is estimated to result in a 12, no, 20% increase in customer retention and repeat business. And the final is revenue growth. With the ability to attract more users and offer premium features or subscription plans, the software has the potential to generate additional revenue streams for the company. A conservative estimate suggests a 15% increase in annual revenue from software sales and related service. So, based on this conservative estimation, the implementation of the wedding organizer software is projected to deliver tangible value to the company in terms of cost savings, customer retention, and revenue growth, making it a worthwhile investment for long-term success and competitiveness in the market. So in this project, there was a special issues. So while implementing the wedding organizer software, several special issues need to be addressed to ensure the success of the project and mitigate potential challenges. So there was five elements, and the first is data security and privacy. So in this case, given the sensitive nature of wedding-related information, maintaining data security and privacy is paramount. Special attention must be given to implementing robust encryption protocols, access controls, and data protection measures to safeguard users' personal and financial information. And the next is integration with third-party service. So our software may need to integrate with various third-party services such as payment gateways, mapping service, and social media platform. Ensuring seamless integration and compatibility with this service requires careful planning and coordination. to avoid technical issues and data discrepancies. So the next is scalability and performance. So as the user base grows and the volume of data increase, the software must be able to scale effectively to accommodate the growing demands without compromising performance. So performance testing and optimization measures should be implemented to ensure that the software remains responsive and reliable under heavy usage conditions. And next is user training and support. Uh, to ensure the successful adoption of the software, comprehensive user training and support programs need to be established. This includes providing user manuals, video tutorials, and access to customer support channel to assist users in getting acquainted with the software and addressing any issues or concerns they may encounter. And the final is regulatory compliance. So compliance with relevant laws and regulations such as data protection regulation, uh, like GDPR, and consumer protection laws is essential. The software must adhere to legal requirements and industry standards to avoid potential legal liabilities and reputational damage. So addressing these special issues requires careful planning, collaboration, and proactive measures to mitigate risks and ensure the smooth implementation and operation of the wedding organizer software.
Core feature schedule management allow a user to organize wedding event schedule, including timing and location for aspects such as client meeting, venue expression, and the wedding ceremony. Engagement encouraging a seamless and stress-free expression for you and your partner. Budget management enable user to create and track a wedding budget, including costs for venues, decoration, and catering and other service. Gaussian invasion recording allow user to record goals innovation information such as names, address, phone number, and the number of wish invite. Service list management enable user to record and manage a list of vendors, including photographer, makeup, caterers, and decorator. Even detail planning allow user to plan event detail such as setting engagement menu, calls, and Music playlist. Checklist management. Provides checklist or test list for wedding profession such ordering flowers, finding a wedding dress, and compiling a list of songs. Use case and description. So, in this use case, three factor, namely customer, admin, and WO. In section customer, the customer has a login case, and within the login has a registration. The customer has a login. The customer has a login bubble, and within the login has a registration bubble. UCAS bubble service selection consists of browse tree Brookery, regular, and premium. To confirm the order has a bidder request, service ordering bubble, entry is a bubble of crying out transaction. Nomor true ada an actor, then 3 is the admin actor which has bubble, registration, account management, managing data, goals, conduction, sales reports, pricing data and canceling transaction. Number 3. An actor 3 and finalist there is VO. There 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 bubble of receiving service, confirming order, settings called the scaleless, coordinating with customer, and monitoring event.